What's up guys, watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-115195-2, unable to connect to the server. It's a network error, simply the network error. You must go check your internet connection, user and account. I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we go to the screen and you must go to the settings. Here we are, settings, and user and account. Must check your PSN account is logged in or not, and then you must check your console is logged in automatically or not. And here we go to the login settings and you must check it, and then you go to the network, view PlayStation network services or test your internet connection. If you get the red option here, one of them, you just wait, Sony will fix this up automatically, do nothing. If you get the all is green, then you have a local internet problem. You must contact with the local internet provider or set your own internet connection or test your own internet connection. So you can change the DNS settings also manually, frequency you can set it. Here we go. Set up a new connection if you do. So here is in the Wi-Fi and in the LAN WAN cable, you do the same settings. So simply, that's how you can fix this kind of error. And I hope so you found my video helpful for you, and see you soon for the next one. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.